In this quick tutorial, I'm going to talk about Myob. So basically, this is a platform for businesses. Now, of course, if you are a small business, it's a great platform, but it works even for medium and large businesses. They offer a lot of products such Solo by Myob, so the all-in-one mobile app designed for sole operators, freelancers, and self-employed. Now, if we go to plans and the pricing, we can see that we have different plans. So we have our accounting and payroll. Now, the accounting one includes the app, and it's around $5 per month. So you just have to sign up and enter your business details, add bank accounts, charts of accounts and tax info, create invoices, track expenses and manage payroll, and use reports to monitor cash flow and performance in your business. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.